Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn how to edit a MS Word document. Currently, you are seeing my desktop MS Word document, and I'm going to demonstrate you how to insert a text, how to insert a blank line, how to insert a blank page, how to select text using mouse and keyboard, and we will see one by one how to copy and move the text. This is what the content for our today's class. So first one is how to insert a text. So in Word document, cursor. See, this is what a cursor. Cursor helps you to identify the current location of the mouse. So for starting or for inserting a text, the first step you have to choose is you should decide on which place you are going to start your text. For example, I want to start from here. So the first step is you have to place the cursor where you want to start typing the text. So in this way, you can insert a text into a MS Word. So I placed my cursor and I'm start typing the content. See? So in this way, you can also type the text. Second, inserting a blank line. So how to insert a blank line between two lines. See, for your convenience, I have given two lines. Welcome grade 4 students, and you are in IT class now. But I need one more blank line next to the first line. So how I can do? Again, you should place the cursor next to the first line or end of the first line. Now I am placing my cursor at the end of the first line and simply give enter. Now I am pressing enter from my keyboard. See, it is adding a blank line for you. So what is the step? You should place the cursor at the end of the first line and then you should simply give enter sign. So if you give enter button, it will add a blank line for you. Okay, in this way you can insert a blank line. And second, inserting a blank page. For inserting a blank page in your document, observe my screen. So currently I am having 3 pages. Now I want one more new blank page to be inserted in my document. There are 2 steps you have to follow. Click on insert tab. See, please follow my mouse. See, here, insert. Click insert tab and then click blank page. See, blank page. So the blank page is added now. Okay, so in this way you can added a blank page to your document. Inserting a blank page. Insert a blank. Next, selecting a text. How we can select a text in your document? We can select it using mouse or we can select it using keyboard. So we have various options. How to select a word, how to select a line, how to select a paragraph, how to select a sentence. Now I am demonstrating you one by one. First we will see how to select a word. So I am giving you a paragraph. Now I want to select a word. How will you select? For example, if I want to select a word famous, how I can select means simply place your cursor on the famous word and double click on it. Now I clicked my mouse double times. Okay. Second, how to select a line. For example, I want this entire line to be selected. How can I do means simply place the cursor front of the line and this is margin, left margin. Now my cursor is in left margin. Simply click on it. See, now the entire line is selected. Okay. Next, how to select a paragraph. We can select a paragraph. So if you want to select this paragraph means place your cursor anywhere on the paragraph and triple times you have to left click. 1 2 3. Sorry, 1 2 3. Second, click the left mouse button 3 times. 1 2 3. Yes, see, place your cursor anywhere on the, be careful While you select, you have place the cursor first on the paragraph, press your left button and then 1 2 3, give a click of 1 2 3. Oh my god, click the left button twice anywhere in the paragraph. Okay, so simply yes. Okay. See, observe, place the cursor anywhere and triple times you have to click the leftmost button. 1 2 3. See, the paragraph is selected now. So be careful while you press the left button. Okay, this is for paragraph selection. Next, you can also select a sentence. For example, I want the sentence, there are many famous landmarks in our country, to be selected. How can I do means, you should click the leftmost button on the sentence while holding the control key, which is nothing but control plus left key should be placed. Okay, first you place the cursor. For example, first now I want this sentence to be selected. India is famous for its beautiful places. Simply place the cursor on the anywhere on the sentence and click control plus leftmost button. Control plus leftmost button. See, the sentence alone is selected. Now we have seen 4 different ways of selection. First one is double click to select a word. For a line, you should keep the pointer in front of the line and you should move the mouse to the left margin and click on the left margin only one time. The line will be get selected. Second one is paragraph. For selecting a paragraph, click the mouse button thrice. 3 times you have to click the mouse button anywhere in that paragraph. And for a sentence, you have to click the left mouse button plus control key. Control plus left mouse button for sentence selection. Okay, so in this way you can select the text. Next, erasing the text. So erasing the text. For erasing a text, we can use 2 different keys. One is backspace key and another one is delete key. You can find these 2 keys in your keyboard. Please look at backspace key and delete key. See, now I am going to demonstrate you how to erase a letter which is present left of the cursor. Okay, this is the cursor. The left of the cursor is, which letter is present left of the cursor? Left of the cursor, the letter present is O. So if you want to erase O, which is left of the cursor, you have to press delete. Delete key is used for delete left of the cursor. Similarly, if you want to delete right of the cursor, the right of the cursor is C. For right of the cursor, you have to use backspace key. Okay, so backspace key for deleting right of the cursor, delete key for erasing left of the cursor. Okay, it's okay. For erasing a word, how we can erase a word? For example, my cursor is in between welcome to. So which one is left of the cursor? 2. So to erase 2, that is left of the cursor, you have to press control plus delete. See, and to erase right of cursor, you have to press control plus backspace. While erasing a word, we are simply adding a button, control alone. Okay, that's the difference. Erasing a block of text. For erasing a block of text, you should simply select what are all the text you want and give, either you can press delete or you can press backspace. Okay. Next, copying a text. Copying a text means India is famous for its beautiful places. For example, you want this particular sentence to be repeated again in some other place. Okay. That is what called as copy. Copy will keep the source copy. That is, we are generating duplicates only. So the source sentence will be remain same. Okay, we are taking duplicates, like taking Xerox. The original will not last. In the same way, copying text means, first step is you have to copy the content which you want to duplicate. So select it first, then go to home tab, clipboard screen. See, clipboard. Observe my mouse. Now I am in clipboard. And in this clipboard, what command you have to use means for copying you should use copy and paste. So first step, second step, first step is you should select the text. Second step is you should copy, press copy, simply press copy. Then now I want the sentence to be appear here. Okay, so place the cursor and then again go to clipboard and give paste. This is one way. Select the text, go to clipboard, choose copy and place the cursor anywhere you want and then press paste. Okay, the two commands which you need for copying text is copy plus paste. We can also perform shortcut keys. The shortcut key for copy is Ctrl plus C and shortcut key for paste is Ctrl plus V. Instead of pressing copy and paste from clipboard, you can simply use keyboard shortcuts Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V. Okay. Next, moving the text. Moving the text is nothing but your source content will not be available here. For example, India is famous for its beautiful places. This sentence should be moved next to Gateway of India. How we can do? We should perform cut and paste. We should perform cut and paste. So if you press cut means this will be moved to the place where you want. Okay. So it will not available here. So select the text you want and go to clipboard group, press cut. See, now the sentence is erased from here. This is what the special, that's why we are telling it as moving a text. Now for moving, you should use one more command, paste. Now place the cursor next to gateway, then again go to home, clipboard group, paste. Now see, India is famous for its beautiful places. Moving to another place. This is what the difference between copying and moving. Copying will create a duplicate of the text you selected. So the duplicate, the same sentence will be available in both places. Okay, the same sentence will be available in both places. This is called as copy text, whereas moving text is nothing but you are moving a text to another place so that it will not available in the source place. Okay, if you it completely erased from the source and moved to the destination where you want. So that's the difference between copying and moving text. Okay kids, with this editing document is over. We have seen how to inserting a text, selecting a text, moving a text and copying a text. We will see the remaining in our next class. Thank you.